Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, anyways, on the monthly, I still think that we are very likely in a wave 4 right now, and eventually we are going to go back up and make a wave 5 to complete what I think is a very, very clear uptrend on all the yen pairs. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I think there's a good chance the wave B is already over. I mean, we do have an alternative count that would have this going back up and making a new high before it goes down, but I think that's least likely. I think this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to the downside. So like an A, B, C of wave 4 most likely. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here, because I do still think that this move up is very likely a correction, maybe even a wave 1 or wave 2. So if we do get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely stop looking for longs, and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I'm watching these fib levels very closely while I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames. If we get a Fibonacci bounce and a breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely switch it back to shorts, because that would likely be the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a wave 3. On the other hand, if we don't get that breaker structure and it just keeps on pushing up, then we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames anyways. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So we are sitting at a Fibonacci level right now. If this goes down and breaks structure in a big way and it holds below structure, then I definitely would start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. If it does not make this picture right here, if it does not make a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, but instead continues the high, low, high, low, high, low series that we've been making for the past couple weeks, then I would definitely just continue to go long at the end of every single one of these three-way pullbacks that I see, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.